Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to list a house on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and everything about your profile here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and list a house on Zillow. So visit the Zillow website and sign in as I told you in the start of the video. If your home is already listed on Zillow, you can claim it. Search for your address on Zillow, then click on property and select claim this home. So you can do it by clicking on the search bar and typing that there. If your home isn't already listed, go to Zillow Rental Manager for rentals or Zillow Offers for sale and click Create New Listing. Fill out all the details about your home, such as the address, price, square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and any special features. Upload high quality photos and videos of your property. Great visuals can help attract more potential buyers. Write a compelling description of your home. Once all the information is filled, click on the publish button to make your listing live on Zillow. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. As always, bye guys.